So if you look at the instruction sheet, there is a link of this textbook. Okay, if you open this, it is coming back to, yeah, this book. Okay, this book is available and you can read this chapters. So chapter number 2 is just explaining what is chapter number 1 and 2 are the basics, basically talking about what are the icons and what are the things there. Then chapter number 3 and 4 is on the measurement part. Okay, of the first order factor, and then we will come to the second order factor model, right, which we will do. So, and then chapter number 6 is on the testing the structural model, right? So you should read chapter number 3, 4, and 5. Then I have also given you this first paper, structural equation modeling, okay, reviewing the basics and moving forward. So most of the stuff that I have covered, okay, what is the diagram, what is the difference between CFA and EFA, okay, then parameters and model specification, right? Uh, so this is also, so model identification. So you see number of data points is p plus 1 by 2, then identification part, right? So you can read this. This is a reference paper on SEM. Then there is another good paper on fit indices. So if you look at this paper, structural equation modeling, guidelines for determining model fit, talks about what are the fit indices and recommended values. So if you're writing your research paper, you can cite this paper, and the thing that you should look at in this paper is Appendix A, which is given on page 9. So it says chi-square value, low chi-square relative to degrees of freedom with an insignificant p-value. That is, p should be greater than 0.05. Then relative chi-square, which is chi-square by degrees of freedom divided by degrees of freedom. It should be less than 3, usually less than 3. RMSEA values less than 0.07. Okay. Then GFI greater than 0.95. RMR, good models have small RMR. SRMR, there are many fit indices, but usually if you look at these 4, 5 should be good enough. CFI, RMSEA, GFI, and chi-square and relative chi-square. Okay, that should be good enough for your research papers. Okay, and then, yeah. Okay, so this is one paper, and then there is this paper that I will just talk about in a while, which I have given you to read. This is a very standard paper on how do we check for discriminant and convergent validity, which I will just mention. Then there is mediation moderation. We will come to that in a while. Yeah, if you were to look at reporting of confirmatory factors, so this is a paper that I have given, my paper on reporting exploratory factor analysis results and then confirmatory factor analysis results. So this is how you report the fit of the model, and
Sir, in every paper, we need to mention descriptive statistics.
Yes, always.
And correlations too.
Yes, always. You should report it in every